Today, you're going to learn 10-second daily habits that will keep your home clean and tidy. I've used these habits to cut my cleaning time in half and maintain a guest-ready home effortlessly. Before we get started, if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 1. Wipe down surfaces. One of the easiest ways to keep your home looking clean is to make a habit of wiping down surfaces regularly. I'm talking about those high-touch areas like kitchen counters and bathroom sinks. It's amazing how quickly these areas can accumulate dust, crumbs, and general grime. Here's what I do. After preparing a meal or using the bathroom sink, I keep a microfiber cloth or some disinfectant wipes handy. It takes just a few seconds to give these surfaces a quick once-over. This habit not only keeps these areas looking clean, but also helps prevent the buildup of bacteria and germs. 2. Declutter a small area. This could be as simple as straightening up a dryer, organizing a stack of papers on your desk, or clearing off a corner of your kitchen counter. The key is to focus on a small, manageable area that you can tackle quickly. I like to do this while I'm waiting for my coffee to brew in the morning. It's amazing how much you can accomplish in those few moments. 3. Sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas. We've all been there. You think your floors are clean, then you notice a trail of crumbs or dirt in high-traffic areas like the kitchen or entryway. That's why I've made it a habit to do a quick sweep or vacuum of these areas daily. It doesn't have to be a deep clean, just a quick once-over to pick up any visible dirt or debris. I keep a small cordless vacuum handy for this purpose. It takes just seconds to run it over these areas, and it makes a world of difference in how clean your home looks and feels. 4. Clean electronics. In our digital age, we're constantly touching our electronic devices, phones, tablets, remote controls, you name it. These items can quickly become breeding grounds for germs and fingerprints. That's why I've made it a habit to give my electronics a quick wipe down each day. I keep a microfiber cloth in my desk. It takes just a few seconds to give these items a quick polish, removing fingerprints and dust. 5. Put away shoes. This is a habit I picked up from my travels in Asia, where it's customary to remove shoes before entering a home. Now, as soon as I enter my house, I take off my shoes and put them in their designated spot. This simple 10-second action keeps your floors cleaner by preventing outside dirt from being tracked through your home. It also helps maintain order in your entryway, which is often the first thing you and your guests see when entering your home. I found this habit particularly helpful during rainy or snowy seasons when shoes can bring in a lot of moisture and mud. Plus, it's a great way to mentally transition from the outside world to your home sanctuary. 6. Wipe down the dining table. After meals, it's easy to leave the dining table as is, especially if you're in a hurry. But taking just 10 seconds to wipe it down can make a huge difference in the overall cleanliness of your eating area. I keep a clean cloth or some sanitizing wipes near the dining area. After each meal, I quickly wipe down the table to remove any crumbs or spills. This prevents food residue from building up and attracting pests. 7. Organize incoming paper. In our increasingly paperless world, it's surprising how much paper still manages to enter our homes. I've made it a habit to sort through incoming paper as soon as it enters my home. I immediately recycle junk mail, file important documents, and deal with bills or correspondence that need attention. This 10-second habit has dramatically reduced paper clutter in my home. Plus, it ensures that important documents don't get lost in the shuffle and bills get paid on time. 8. Fold towels neatly. It might seem like a small thing, but neatly folded towels can make your bathroom look significantly more organized and put together. Instead of just tossing towels onto the rack after use, take a few seconds to fold them neatly. I like to fold my towels in thirds lengthwise, then in half. This creates a neat, uniform look that instantly elevates the appearance of your bathroom. Plus, properly folded towels dry more efficiently, which helps prevent that musty smell that can develop in damp towels. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, so we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step, plus some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 9. Quick floor check. This is a habit I've developed that takes just seconds, but can make a big difference in how tidy your home looks. Before going to bed each night, I do a quick scan of the floors in each room. I look for any items that need to be picked up, toys, clothes, books, or anything else that's found its way onto the floor. It takes just moments to gather these items and put them in their proper places. 10. Clean the bathroom sink. I keep a small squeegee in my bathroom for this purpose. After using the sink, I quickly run the squeegee over the surface to remove water droplets and any toothpaste or soap residue. This prevents water stains and buildup, keeping your sink looking clean and shiny. Since adopting this habit, I've found that my deeper bathroom cleaning sessions are much easier and quicker. Plus, it's satisfying to have a clean sink to start and end each day. 11. Dust high surfaces. Dust has a way of accumulating on high surfaces like shelves, picture frames, and ceiling fans. Well, it's easy to overlook these areas in our daily cleaning routines. I keep a long-handled duster handy and spend just a few seconds each day running it over high surfaces in one room of my house. I rotate rooms each day, ensuring that all high surfaces get attention over the course of a week. 12. Tidy your workspace. Whether you work from home or just have a designated area for paying bills and handling correspondence, keeping your workspace tidy is crucial for productivity and peace of mind. At the end of each workday or session, I spend 10 seconds putting away any items I've used, pens, notebooks, papers, etc. I also quickly wipe down the surface of my desk with a microfiber cloth. This habit ensures that I start each work session with a clean, organized space. It's amazing how much more focused and productive I feel when my workspace is tidy. 13. Check produce freshness. Food waste is a significant issue in many households, and one way to combat this is by regularly checking the freshness of your produce. Each day, I take a quick look through my fruits and vegetable dryer in the fridge. I remove any items that are starting to spoil and make a mental note of what needs to be used soon. This habit not only reduces food waste, but also helps me plan meals more effectively. Since adopting this habit, I've noticed a significant reduction in the amount of produce I have to throw away. It's better for my wallet and the environment. 14. Use a compost bin. If you're able to compost in your area, this is a great habit to adopt. Instead of throwing food scraps in the regular trash, take a few seconds to toss them into a compost bin. I keep a small compost bin on my kitchen counter for easy access. Throughout the day, I toss in things like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and vegetable scraps. It takes no extra time, but it makes a big difference in reducing waste. 15. Quick floor spot check. Spills and stains happen, but they're much easier to deal with when caught early. That's why I've made it a habit to do a quick spot check of my floors each day. I simply walk through the main areas of my home looking for any new spots or stains on the floor. If I find any, I clean them up immediately before they have a chance to set in. There you have it, 15 10-second daily habits for a clean and tidy home. If you enjoyed these daily habits tips, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.